Thank you. We are going to study English literature today. One chapter is left in English literature, The Happy Prince. We are going to start that. Open the chapter Happy Prince. Page number 120. Hmm? Quickly join all of you, and we are going to start. Good morning. All right. Let me brief you about the story. The Happy Prince. It is a story of a king and a prince who were very humble, very kind, and very good to the people of their kingdom. They always, whole life, used to help the people by giving gold, by giving them good houses, by providing each and everything what they needed. One day, what happened? The king died, and the prince was so shocked by the death of his father that after some time, that prince also died. But the people were so sad by both death. And what happened? All the gold which king and the prince had given to the people of their kingdom, they collected all the gold and they made one statue of that prince in the mid of the town. The statue was made up of gold and precious stones, emeralds, ruby, sapphire, gold statue with different precious stones. The people of the town, they collected all the gold which the king and the prince had given them, and they loved their king and prince so much that they made the prince statue at the center of the town. Then what happened? Slowly, gradually, the people started becoming poor because there was nobody to rule. No king was there, no prince was there, nobody to give them money. Trading was getting slow. People were getting poor and they were suffering a lot. Then what happened? This statue, prince statue, was looking everything. One day a bird swallow sat there near the statue. The prince was crying. The tear fell on the bird. Bird was sitting. The tear fell on the bird. Bird said, "From it is not a rainy season, but from there this water is coming." Then she saw at the statue, look up the statue, and she saw the statue is crying. Then the bird asked, "Why are you crying?" Then the prince said, "I love my people so much. And the gold and the money that my father and I gave to them, they have made a statue for me. They also love me so much, but now they are suffering. I don't want my statue to be built here when my people are suffering. Will you help me?" The bird said, "Okay, I will try to help you. I'm going to stay here only for some time because I'm leaving for the other country to meet her relatives or friends, something." So she said, "How can I help you?" Then the prince said, "Take out my eye." Eyes were made up of sapphire, then uh, whole statue gold by gold leaves. He asked to give his eyes to someone, then he asked to give his gold to somebody. Like this, he asked all his gold, all his precious gem to be distributed to the poor people. And this little bird, swallow, she took out one by one all the gold, all the gems, and she distributed to the people. Now, what happened? At last, the bird was so tired. Now, only the some heart was left, eyes were left. One eye he has given, another eye. Then she said, the bird said to the prince statue, "If you are going to give both your eyes, how you are going to see?" Then the prince said, "No, I want my people to be happy, and if for that, if I have to give both my eyes, I'm going to give." Then at last the prince gave everything. Bird also, by helping so much, she also get tired, and both And then what happened? The next day, the mayor said, when there is nothing left in the statue, no gold is left, then why this statue is here? Useless. He asked statue to throw in the ocean, in the river, to throw in the river. Looking at this, the bird got so hurt that the bird also died while the statue was drowning in the river. While they thrown the statue in the river, the bird also died with that. Then God sent angel to collect one good heart and one good body from the earth. The angel saw this statue and this bird. So she took the statue body and the heart of the bird. So this shows that how the prince, after being dead also, he helped his countrymen, people, by giving all what he had, all the gold, all the gems, and his people at last again became happy and rich. This is a short summary of the chapter. Now we are going to read the lesson. Now here are few characters. Means so many people are there. The daughter, poor man, one, poor woman, three, crowd, mother, poor man, two, mayor, angel, swallow. Swallow is the bird. Poor woman, one, counselor, happy prince, poor woman, two, and God. This story. Can you see the statue? See in the picture? The statue is made up of gold. This is the statue of the prince. Now read the lesson. The statue of the happy prince is on a tall column. Column means a tall pillar. He is all covered in gold. He is all covered in gold. He has a lead heart. His eyes are two blue sapphires. There's a ruby in his sword. Mother and daughter stop to admire it. One mother and daughter were passing through that passage and they saw that statue and stopped. Daughter, look, mother, what a beautiful statue. Do you know who he is? Mother, this is the statue of a prince. He has been here for many years. People say that he was a prince who lived in a castle on top of a mountain. His father, the king, was very generous and kind man. Everybody loved him, and the prince too. They were very happy. They say that one day the king got sick and died. And the prince, who was so sad, died shortly after his father's death. Means the prince and the king were very good people, very generous people. After one day, the king got sick and died. And the prince was so sad that he also died after some time. Daughter, oh, very sad. Do you know who made the statue? People collected all the gold and precious stones given to them by the king, and they made the statue of the prince. They named the statue the Happy Prince. Now, as I told you, people collected all the precious stones, money, gold, and they made the statue for the prince. Daughter, well, he looks like an angel. Mother and daughter leaves the stage. A swallow enters and lies between the feet of the statue. Now, see where the bird is sitting in the picture. Bird is sitting there. This is really a nice place to rest. Now, swallow means the bird is talking to herself that this is a nice place. A trip to Egypt is too long and I am very tired. Tomorrow I will continue my journey. Now, bird is saying, I am very tired. I have to go to Egypt. I will go tomorrow. Today I will rest. Two water drops fall on him. Now, on the bird, two water drops fell. It's starting to rain. He looks at the sky. This is strange. The sky is clear. Where are those water drops coming from? The bird said, the sky is clear, it is not a rainy season, then from where the water drops are falling on me? Why are you crying? Who are you? Then bird said to statue, who are you and why are you crying? Prince said, I am the happy prince. Swallow, if you are the happy prince, then why are you crying? Happy prince. When I was alive, I never worried about anything. That's why people called me the happy prince. Sorry. And now, from here on top of this column, I can see the suffering and misery of my kingdom. Now, from here, he was saying that when I was alive, I was very happy. But now, what happened from here, I can see the misery, the poor people, the sufferings of the people. They are not happy, they are very poor. I want to help them. Swallow. But what can you do about it? Prince. My father was a great man. He gave his people everything to lead a better life. And now I want to do the same thing. But I can't. I can't move. I'm only a statue and I don't need to be covered in gold and precious stones. Can you help me? The prince is saying, I am made up of gold, but I don't want to be covered with gold. I want to help my people. But the thing is, I am a statue. I can't move. So he is asking Bird, will you help me? Bird said, what can I do for you? Prince said, at the end of the street there's a poor house. One of the windows is open, and through it I can see a seamstress. Seamstress is a lady who used to stitch clothes, a tailor, very poor lady. Seated at a table, she is embroidering a dress that a lovely lady will wear at the palace table. Her son is in bed, hungry and sick. Please, little swallow, take her the ruby of my sword. Now, this statue is saying, from here I can see a window where one poor lady is swinging a one dress for the person, but that lady is very poor and her son is sick and hungry. Do one thing, take out a ruby from my sword and go and give to that lady. Swallow, the bird said, I'll do this for you. I join my friends in the marriage. He takes the ruby from the sword and leaves. He returns and lies between the feet of the statue. I did it as you told me. The woman was surprised when I left the ruby on her window. She took it in her hands. She cried and hugged her son. I felt so satisfied. Now, when after giving the ruby to the statue, this woman, the bird left the ruby to the woman window. Then, when the bird returned and told to this person, happy prince, the bird said, I felt so satisfied and so happy when I saw this lady seeing the ruby. She felt so much happy and she hugged her son and she cried because now she will not be poor anymore. Now her son will not be hungry and sick. So she became very happy. Then what Happy Prince said? Happy Prince, this is because you have done a good deed. Swallow, do you want me to do something else for you? Prince, yes. Please take one of my sapphire of a writer that lives in that house over there. Now, he is telling about another man who is a writer. He is hungry and cold. He is trying to finish a play for the director of a theater, but he is too cold and hungry to write anymore. He will sell it to the jeweler and buy food and firewood and finish his play. Now, the prince is telling Swallow that do one thing, take out one of my sapphire and give it to one writer who is writing a play, but he is very hungry and he is not having clothes and warm fire to keep himself warm. So do one thing, do go and give one sapphire to him. The solo takes the sapphire from one of the statue eyes. Now remember, sapphire were in his eyes, in the statue eyes. So she took one of the sapphire, means one of the eye of the statue, and she gave to the writer. Thank you, little swallow. Do you know how happy I felt when I arrived at his house? The man saw the sapphire, he took it in his hands and left the house in a hurry. Now I need you to take the other sapphire. Now Prince said, you have given one sapphire, now I want you to take out the other one also. Then Swallow said, but Prince, if I take out the sapphire, both the sapphire, you will be blind. Both your eyes will go, then how you will see? Prince said, it doesn't matter. Do it, please. In the square below, you will see a little match girl. She is wearing no shoes and has no coat. Her matches fell in the mud, and matches means a girl who used to sell matchboxes. Now she can't sell them. Her father will be angry if she doesn't bring home some money. I don't need this sapphire. She needs it more than I. Then he said, now go and give the other sapphire also to that little girl who sells matchboxes on the road, because all matchboxes are fell in the mud, and if she is going to go home without taking any money, her father is going to be angry. So you go and give this sapphire to that little girl. The swallow takes the other sapphire from the statue eyes and leave. Then Swallow returned. Oh, Prince, I found the girl crying lying on the ground. I stood in front of her, and when she saw the sapphire I had in my beak, she touched me gently. Then she took it. She was very happy. The girl also took the sapphire and she became very happy. Prince said, thank you. Swallow. Prince, Now that you are blind, I cannot leave you. I'll stay with you forever. Now the swallow was so much attached with that prince that she said, now you are blind. You will not be able to see anything. So I am not going to go to the Egypt. I will stay with you forever. Then the prince said, then there is one more thing that you should do for me. Then the prince said, okay, if you are going to stay with me, do one more thing. I am covered with fine gold. You must take it off leaf by leaf and give it to the poor people. Then he said, now take out all the leaves from my body. My body, my whole statue is made up of small, small gold leaves. Now take out each leaf and distribute it in the people, poor people. But I don't want to die. Swallow said, I don't want to die. It is very cold. People understand. Please understand. My people built me a statue with all the gold and precious stones given to them by my father. This is their gold, and I want to give them back. The Solu take off leaf after leaf, gold, and gives it to poor men and women passing by. Poor man said, oh, we have bread now. All poor men and women were so happy. Another poor man said, we can buy firewood. Then woman said, my children will not be cold in winter. Another poor woman said, my husband will have his medicine. So when this bird was giving, see in the picture, when this bird was giving leaf, all the gold leaf to the poor people, they became very happy. Then poor woman said, thank you God, this is miracle. The swallow is tired, now whole statue. She took out leaf by leaf. The swallow bird is very small black bird. She became so tired. He lies between the happy prince's feet. Now see in the picture. Swallow, I did as you told me. Now I will sleep for a while. I am very tired. The bird said, I am very tired now. I want to sleep. Rest, my good friend. Then prince said, okay, you may rest. The swallow closes his eyes and dies. Now swallow here died. The mayor, his counselor, mayor is the head of the city, and crowd entered to look at the statue. There is a dead swallow lying beside the statue. What they said? There is a bird lying dead near the statue. Then the ruby, the sapphire, the gold that covered the statues are not there. Then mayor said the statue is worthless. Now the mayor was so selfish. He said, now there is no sapphire, no gold, nothing is there on the statue. So statue is worthless. Let's destroy it and throw everything in the trash, including the swallow. Now they said, okay, this bird is also died here and there is nothing left in the statue, so let's throw everything in the dustbin. The mayor, his counselor, his guard, and the crowd take the statue and destroy it. They leave pieces of the statue and the heart lying on the ground. The happy prince's heart and the swallow's body remain together. Now, heart of the prince and body of the swallow, that only remained, rest everything was gone. The mayor, his counselor, his guard, and the crowd leave. The angel enters. Now the angel came from heaven. Angel, where I am going to find the two most beautiful things I have seen, as God asked me. Our God asked angel to bring two most beautiful things from the earth. Then what was the two most beautiful things? The body, the heart of the prince, and the body of the bird. Because the heart of the prince was so good that he gave everything what he had. And this little bird was such a small bird, but still she did so much of hard work by distributing all the gold. So, what were the two good things? The heart of the prince and the body of the swallow. She sees and takes in her hands and lead heart and the dead swallow. She took the heart of the prince. The heart of the prince was made of lead and the swallow body. Oh, these are the two most beautiful things I've seen here on the earth. I'll take them to the God. The angel leaves. So this is the story. Nice story. Clear to everybody? Do not on your mic. Listen to the instructions first. Now I am going to give you the word meanings and reference to context images. What you have to do? You have to do the word meaning and reference to context images in your fair copies.